Using insect-killing lawn granules in a fruit or vegetable garden risks contaminating crops and harming beneficial organisms. Synthetic pyrethroid granules are designed for broad application on turf, where contact with edible plants is unlikely, but when they are used in garden plots, the particles can adhere to leaves, be absorbed by plant tissues, and persist in soil with variable half-lives depending on temperature and organic matter. Work around that by keeping treated products only on non-edible lawn areas and creating a clear buffer zone between turf and planting beds of at least 3 feet, removing any granules that stray by hand while wearing gloves. If you need in-garden pest control, choose products containing pyrethrins because they break down quickly in sunlight and are less likely to leave residues on produce, and always follow label directions for application timing relative to harvest. Employ mechanical controls such as sticky traps, hand removal of pests, and row covers to reduce reliance on chemical controls while monitoring pest populations weekly so you can act early before infestations require heavier measures. Improve soil health by adding compost and maintaining balanced pH because healthy plants tolerate pests better and attract more beneficial insects that provide biological control. When using any spray or bait, apply in the early morning or late evening to limit exposure to pollinators and avoid windy conditions so off-target drift does not contaminate edible foliage. Common mistakes include spreading lawn granules too close to beds where accidental transfer contaminates produce, so always sweep and remove any granules that land in planting areas and avoid granular applications when the garden is being established. Another frequent issue is choosing persistent synthetic products for convenience rather than selecting quick, degrading alternatives, so opt for pyrethrins or targeted products labeled for edible gardens and observe pre-harvest intervals. A third problem is relying solely on chemicals instead of integrating cultural practices, so combine physical barriers, soil health improvements, and regular scouting to reduce chemical needs and protect beneficial organisms. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where gardeners and contractors can share experiences and recommendations about safe pest control. We help contractors find work by reaching homeowners seeking services, and we provide a forum for practical, garden-specific advice.